Slow. Point taken.
I am a
Surprise, motherfucker!
BMW drivers. Hello. Drift. I guess we're gonna switch to something else. I don't even know what. Brother.
Hello
Can I
there.
please just... I swear... I don't think I can, like, change my car here. They're gonna keep trying to kill me. That's like fucking Walter White's car. Walter White found dead in a car crash on Autobahn. Live leak. Can you... Bitch, move!
They see me rolling, they hate it, patrolling and
Different car soon. This is getting... Bitch! Hand like hanging out the... That's my engine! That was unexpected. Also, I should really get... Brother, no, you don't see me, you don't see me. Get past me, just get... Thank you. No, there's another one. Get in gear, get in...
What's up, baby?
That's a battery. Toyota. Whatever, it's something. It's a car.
Fatality.
Mid-air, and they get more propulsion just because the mod is like, yeah, you're going now. Get 200 G's up your ass. Yeah, like that.
Oh my god!
I think the mod heard me and wasn't too happy I cracked its code. Maybe.
That real good, feel good stuff. Up under the seat of my bed, blackjack, truck. Going on 35, pretty girl by my side.
For me to open the door and get inside.
get over here!
No, never. I just need to get inside. Now, there are no doors. Bruh. I need to... Carpal, I think you might have fucked up a little. Bruh, you don't have to do, like, tell me to fuck off like this. Jesus Christ. Motherfucking criticism, you bitch. No, I don't think I will. Oh, that's my car gone again. Motherfucker, I was walking there. Can I please... That was some good fuck... Death. Yo, what the...
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
Okay. Just like in that video, right now, I'm gonna turn really quick. Hopefully he doesn't hit me. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay. What is he gonna do? Oh no, oh no.
Get over
Don't
here!
they aim for you! And there is a paid version, and
They see me rolling.
Oh, there it
Think
is,
fast,
there it
Chuckle
is!
Nuts!
He's
fast
here,
as fuck,
he's here!
boy.
Don't turn! So gentlemen, we now have
Woke up in a new Bugatti.
two. There.
I woke up in
That is... Look, there's a bumper.
Oh my god, bro.
Do you know whose bumper it is? Why is there shit flying in the... Now, every corner I turn, there may potentially be a car spawning.
They see me rolling. They hate it.
A car?
Patrolling.
Okay, I should stop here, because this is a good time to respect traffic rules.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
There's a car in front of us. Nice. We need to cross the road to take the exit. This is like cross the road, but in real life. Okay. Why did the... Guys, just take the road. Shit. I do not feel safe. I'm safe. Guys, I'm safe. I'm very safe. I am not safe. Per favor, per favor. I think it's just Meta headsets working horribly with BMG. We're still alive. 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 Goodbye, suckers. They're flying everywhere. Oh my god. I'm turning. I'm turning. I'm turning. No, 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 no. What? I just saw WWE with one car.
Nope.
I have no idea how fast these guys are.
I believe I can fly.
So, gentlemen, we have. Oh my god.
Think fast, Chuckle Nut!
I just did.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
This is the current situation I am in right now.
Think fast, Chuckle Nut!
Mamma mia.
Think fast, Chuckle Nut!
Mi nombre es señor Auto Amarillo que se encuentra en trayectoria de colisión perfecta con su dispositivo vehicular. Encantado de conocerlo.
Traffic. Time to check with new cars. Oh shit!
Remember that is our starting... What? Wait, where did...
Oh my... Be free!
His name is John C.
Hello there.
Let's combine everything! Stop! Stop!
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
No, 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 no. He was turning towards me. No, no! What the f? Look at the shape of this. Christ! What? Blinked and somebody passed. Okay. That's one way to overtake. Guys, I'm genuinely terrified. This is a good moment to... I got 32 cars now. You know what? I feel like I'm actually the safest here. Oh. When we get at this intersection, I'm gonna just... Oh my god, I'm just gonna press... No, that made me laugh. Okay, I'm gonna have to drive in the oncoming lane now.
Get over here!
Because those are the rules. If somebody makes me laugh in chat...
His name is John C.
If it's still dropping... Shit! But he comes from behind.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the...
Oh, that's gonna
They see me rolling.
major pile up. Like, towards the inside of the corner is the safest spot. Square to the H55.
Think fast, Chuckle
Yeah.
Nut!
If I can get to the height, I can't imagine this in a motion rig. I think I'm safe on the off-road. Am I safer on road? Why is everybody off-road? It's like they're trying to aim for me. Can I come here?
Nope.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. What if traffic was made of all HD55s? That'd...
Oh my god, bro.
Yes!
Hell no.
Show me what you got. Oh my god.
And his name is John C.
Still the safest, like under these cliffs. Oh no, oh no.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
I did not deserve that. Oh
My god, bro.
hell no.
Think fast, Chuckle
My
Nut!
god! Oh!
Hello there.
Wait, is he parked? Oh, I think they're stopped for the traffic light. Me when the light turns green. Oh, he wants to turn. I swear.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm gonna jump it. I'm gonna jump it.
I woke up in...
Does anybody not get tickets? Mike! Please, please. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh. Where are they even coming from? I'm feeling a nice push now.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
What the? Shit!
They see me roll.
Nope.
I'm gonna wing it. Oh. Shit. Shit. I should be safe here. Unless he dips. I think I'm actually quite safe. What is this piece?